How to fix if your Canon cartridge printer is printing blank pages. Open Canon Print application on your smartphone. Tap the printer icon at the top. Tap Utilities. Tap the back arrow at the top left. Tap Login. If you see your connection is not private, hit Advanced, then scroll down and tap Proceed at the bottom. Now enter your admin password. You can find your password on the product label inside of the printer. If the default password is not attached, the default password set is Canon, printer serial number or random character string. Enter your password, tap on the screen to hide keyboard, and tap OK to log in. Next, tap Utilities. Tap Cleaning and confirm you want to start cleaning. After the cleaning is finished, you can print a test page. If you are not satisfied with the print quality, go back to the main menu and tap Deep Cleaning. Then run a deep cleaning and try to print a test page after it. Keep in mind, deep cleaning requires a lot of ink. If the deep cleaning didn't help, try to clean cartridges manually. Open the cartridge access door. Then open cartridge slots and remove the cartridges from the printer. Then take a stack of wet napkins or towel and press against the printhead for 30 seconds. Release the cartridge and you will see the print of your printhead on the towel. Repeat the same for the black cartridge, then place cartridges back to the printer. Close all lids and try to print something again. If nothing above helped, try to replace cartridges or contact Canon Service Center. Thanks for watching.